Hello guys, this is me, your host Ikra. Hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to start Canva using phone. This information tutorial hope you are doing learn it from. Before start video, welcome your own channel Lifestyle Kuwait. This through method using Canva. One through website and server and other one through mobile app. Let's start first through mobile app. You can see I just come here my Apple stores apps and write the name in search bar Canva and wait for the downloading it. When you can complete your download and finish it, you can choose through email, Apple ID, using Google, Facebook, all depend on yours. Just little bit wait for downloading it. Now you can see it's completely done. Open Canva. You can choose, as I can say already, using their email ID, Apple ID, Facebook, through whatever you want. When you log it, you can see all the options in front of yours. Just little bit waiting for that. Its process will be complete. I just make this video for those people who are beginners starting from the beginning. Okay, now you can see this is my second video. You can see all the apps, all the options in front of yours. You can use social media, video, photo editor, presentation, documents, website, email, whiteboard, sheets, whatever you want. Choose one of them. Which option you will working. I come here on the search bar again and write there. You can see thumbnail. You want to be website maker for your business, using whiteboard, presentation, whatever. Now you can see I choose one thumbnail and now I will add it according to my vision. Firstly, I cut it the picture and right there, grow your business fast. Now I will change grow with business entity. I'm just changing a little bit according to my vision. I'm just making for your information purpose because I am already a lots of working here. I'm doing working in front of you. Just you can see and learn. I choose one photo from my gallery and put there. It's very simple, not a big deal. Just you can choose option what you want. Right here, grow with business entity. Now I will make a little bit change. You can see I choose one thumbnail, remove photo, add my own photo, whatever I want, then change the name of the thumbnail. Firstly, write there grow with business. Now I write grow with business entity. You can see it's more than easy, not a difficult, but for beginners it's a little bit difficult. And the other option, now I will create Canva using website server. Come here on my Google, write there Canva and choose first option using my email. Then you can see it's completely done. It's easy. Firstly, I told you how to choose through mobile app. Then secondly, how to use and create through website. You can see lots of email I have. Choose one of them and using. All the procedure are same. How to register, create this app using App Store and using server. Thanks for watching. Hope you don't learn from it. Signing off. Bye bye. We will soon meet next video.